Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show how to make Arduino on the breadboard and how to load program in ATmega328P Microcontroller. This method will reduce the cost of your project. If you're new to this channel, then please subscribe and turn on the bell button to get the notification of my new videos. First, I'm taking out the ATmega328P chip from the Arduino and placing it in the breadboard. Also, we need these components for this project. Now making these connection as like table. To load program in ATmega328P chip, we need an Arduino. You can use Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega instead. Then making this connection between Arduino Nano and ATmega328P chip as like table. Now coming in the coding part. First open Arduino IDE. Go to File. Example. Select Arduino as ISP. By selecting the proper board and port, upload the code in the Arduino Nano. Now select the programmer. Arduino as ISP. Now select the target chip, which is ATmega328P. Then click on Burn Bootloader. The bootloader is successfully burned. Now we can upload code into the chip. Here I have taken a simple LED blink code. To upload code in the target chip, make this setting in the Tools option. Then go to Sketch and click on Upload using Programmer option to upload the code. The code is successfully uploaded and the LED is started to blink. Let's checking with separate power supply. It's working properly. The push button is for reset the program. similarly using an LCD display. Thank you for watching the full video.